Probably not what you were expecting to see on this video, huh? What's going on, guys? ADC Heart Attack here, and welcome back to a brand new drawing video. Today's video is going to be a sort of challenge thing. So before I start, let's point out the elephant in the room. What the hell did my barber do to me? I don't know. He doesn't love me like he used to. It's been tough. It's been tough. So, the drawing video. Today I'm going to be attempting to recreate this drawing right here. Now, this image comes from the Blu-ray edition of the Dragon Ball Super, and if I can find a link to this image, this source reference thing, I will put it in the description, and you guys are welcome to challenge me and accept me on this challenge and recreate the drawing yourselves. And the idea of this drawing was actually supposed to be a stream exclusive, but you guys really wanted to see it on the channel, so I have decided to crop out the video and put it up on the channel. That will explain the quality of the video. It will be a little bit off compared to my usual videos. That is because I have taken a crop of the video, and as you know, if you scale it up or down, it might look a little bit blurry and bleh. So yeah, this is supposed to be a sort of direct copy. Now, I do things like this from time to time where I copy an image that I've seen, and the idea behind them is you sort of practice and you learn as you go. It's a great way of practicing to copy something, and at the same time, it is a good idea to combine multiple images the way that I usually draw, where I take multiple reference sources and I combine them and make one new image. But today's challenge, I was just recreating this drawing and trying the best I could to recreate it. Now, I will keep this drawing up on screen the entire time so you guys can see the progress and track it as we go along. I did change some things as we went. Now, this is a bad habit of mine. Actually, it's a good habit, but it's a bad habit when I'm trying to do things like this. And yeah, I did change some things. So this is now on you to determine which one is better, my version or that version. So with that being said, please do enjoy this drawing video, and yeah, thank you all for stopping by, and stick around to the end because you will get some high quality photos of the drawing itself, some close-ups and other view angles of it. I will see you in the next video, guys. Take it easy, and thank you all for stopping by. Enjoy.